Hey colorful weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi! My name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be trying out new hair dyes from Astralocks. Follow them. Yes. I have 4 colors right now that they sent me. So I got Neptune, Earth, Fire, ganon. And then Nebula, kasi why not? Coconut. And then the next one is Sol, kasi yellow. I might be mixing these colors, parang teal-ish. Kailangan ko ng yellow and the green one, tapos the main ingredient here is yung blue. Ganon, ganon. Tapos yung purple, kaya may nebula for like highlights.
Ganon.
Yeah, they have scrunchies too. So I'll be using this as well. Pag tapos na yung finishing keme. Sa box na to, I have 4 plastic gloves kasi for yung colors. Have instructions here. You know, if may bleach kang in order, mix bleaching powder, yung keme root, you know, tapos may tips pa siya, dyeing, section your hair for easy application. I'll do that. I'll show you those stuff in a while. And then, yeah, may thank you card. So I'll be using Earth, Neptune, and Sol for a tealish color. Sana mag-work. Then si Nebula, kaya may Nebula because I sent them my inspo and gusto ko may parang mga highlights ng purple. So, let's go! Okay! So I'm gonna mix it here with all of these 3 because I doubt na mag-fit sa isang top. So, yung gagawin ko kasi parang greenish, na bluish, na yellowish. So, I need yellow to lighten and to make it neon.
Kuha nyo?
Let's start. So, I was making parang teal-ish color. But then, ayan, naging teal naman siya. In a way. So, I put white conditioner to dilute everything kasi mas dark pala si Earth. Medyo dark green, parang half of blue. And then, onti na Earth, yun, inubos ko si Sol, yung sun, yung yellow. White conditioner. Always have white conditioner if you want to dilute something. White conditioner, wag parang a hint of blue na conditioner. It will change everything. So, dapat white lang. So, what I used was BBC's Reconstructor. Kasi white siya. I'm gonna section my hair. I'll show it to you. Also, yes, random lang siya sa colors. And si purple, parang strip lang. So, yun. So, itatali ko si purple, tapos onti-onti with the teal that I made, and then onting blue hair. So, ito siya. Mostly, the goal here is para siyang mostly parang blue. So, I will do yung mga nakatali. Purple na. So, ganun lang. Para hindi maghalo. So, this one naman, yung top, ang gagawin ko is all blue, bluish. No purple. So, yeah. I'll sit this in around 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll see you once it's done. Bye. guys. My sister made this one para ma-use ko naman yung scrunchie, no? Kasi I don't really tie my hair. Yeah, I like this look. I didn't expect na ganito siya katingkad. And like I said, nagpipil yung face ko or naglalighten yung skin ko when I do or when I color my hair blue. I hope you like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.